So hi all, this is a Dyson V6 battery. What is special about it is that it is almost brand new. At least I bought it about 2 months ago. It was only 1 month in use from Aliexpress. I never buy the cheapest, so it wasn't the cheapest one. Now look what happened when I connect the power. It is looking like it is charging, but after a few seconds it stops, which means there is a problem, you see, and it is not charged. You can see the multimeter. I try to measure. I press the button. When I press it, it like a start, and it should show voltage out, but you can see no voltage out, which means something is wrong. And this is almost brand new battery, and I'm curious what the problem is. In order to take it apart, you need to remove this screw and very gently try to separate the plastic cover, which is made of 2 parts. This is the first part, this is the second. You can see the cutout, it's very easy to see it, and there is a spring inside that holds this button, and you need to be very gentle. And anyway, I don't recommend to do such a thing, because even though there is no voltage, it is possible that all the cells are 100% charged and one cell is not, and this is what causing it to stop to work, the BMS that is reacting because something is wrong. So I'm going to very gently open it. Hopefully nothing will explode. You need to be very careful. I don't recommend to do such thing, and I'm saying it over and over again, but my curiosity probably will kill me someday. Okay, so I'm going to do it very gently. You need to put something inside, but you don't want to put something that will transfer and can do a short, like a metal or screwdriver. So I suggest to, if you are going to do such a thing, to go from this side and from this side and not from here, because here are the contact of the cells. And anyway, if you push any screwdriver, you can harm the cell anyway. So you need to be very, very gentle. And if you can do it only by hand without using metal, this is the best. So I will do it and then come back. Okay, so I could do it, as you can see. It was not very complicated, and yeah, now we will remove all the cells from the box. Yeah, the quality is not the best, but anyway, there is a PCB and a BMS and everything. And now the question is to see what happened. In order to do it, we will measure the cell, each cell one by one, and try to figure out. You see, this is fully charged. You see what I'm talking about? How much dangerous it. This cell is 100% charged, and if I would do a short, it would totally explode. Second cell also fully charged. And these cells is different than the other. You see, it's 3.7 volt. This is what I'm talking about when measuring. And these cells is disconnected. When you see that you're measuring one cell from side to side and you see nothing, it is disconnected. This is also fully charged. This is also different voltage, which means the battery quality is very, very bad. Each cell is different. One is 100%, the other one is no charge, one is disconnected. Anyway, not recommend to buy such cells. So this video to show you that when you're buying from Aliexpress, probably want to pay more in order to make sure that the cells are in a good quality and not in a bad quality like this one. Maybe I will replace all the cells in this one in order to get it back to life, but you see, not a good quality. There is a thermistor that is measuring the cell here, the temperature, but there is also a BMS that protecting. You can see it is now protected because one cell is disconnected, so the BMS probably protect the voltage out and remove the voltage. But anyway, low quality, this is what you get. So that's all. Thank you and bye.